So I recently acquired something sweet. It's a mid to late 70s Sony STR-V4 simulated quadraphonic stereo amplifier. Got this for free. It's on the side of the road. It's pretty cool. Got really excited at first. I thought it was a real quadraphonic amplifier. But it's not. You've just got simulated quad. Speaker set A off, speaker set B, or speaker sets A and B. Basic bass and tone treble, or bass and treble adjustments. This balance knob was a problem, and it's still acting up. Even if you go anywhere near it, it'll just completely kill the output power, so might need to have that one replaced. You have a high filter, a loudness control. This FM muting is nice. When you have that on, until you tune a station in, just the static in between them is completely muted, so you just have a nice transition between stations. And you have your stereo monaural control. This one has very basic function controls. You have a phonograph function, a FM and AM control, meter, which controls the little dials up top. They're not VU meters, they're actually power output meters, which is pretty sweet. And you have a tape control. It is a 105 watt stereo amplifier, which is pretty good. The meters go from 0 to 100, and there's also a portion called signal on the right channel. Not sure what that does yet, but this is sweet too. It also has a tuning accuracy control. So you can see when you're out of tune, like that, there's nothing there. And when you're in tune, the stereo indicator light has burned out, like most stereos. I'll have to have that one replaced. It's not a big deal. And the balance control is not a big deal either. Very nice. Let's take a look at the back real quick. Probably not going to be able to see very much. It's your antenna and ground. It's the ground, 75 ohm input, 300. This is where you hook up your turntable. Although it's not labeled phono on here. These are your tape controls for in and out on 2 tape recorders. You've got one of these older, like microphone style AM antennas. I like them a lot better than the little wire loop ones they give you nowadays. 2 sets of speaker outputs, simulated quad, and you have 2 outlets, which one is switched and the other one is unswitched. You'd use the switch one for the turntable, so when you turn the power off on this unit, your turntable shuts off. It just doesn't keep on running. Very cool. Of course, you can probably hear the Jersey June bugs are back outside, so can't have the door open without the zapper on, otherwise you just get attacked. But anyway, that's it for now. Let's get some speakers on this to see what it sounds like. It sounds pretty good with headphones, but